Hey guys, I want to show you this binocular, Fang Mango binocular. The telescope is a visual optical instrument used to observe remote objects. Can amplify the remote object that have a small angle in the certain magnification so that it will with large angle in the space and the object unable to see or to distinguish with the naked eye will become visible. So basically this is something that you can use it to visualize tiny object. It will become large, or object that is in far distance, it will bring the object, magnify the object for you to see it. So we're going to unbox this stuff and see. This is what we have here. It's sort of a children's stuff. This is 4x30 coated, and they have this side. You can see what it looks like, and also with lid. You can wear this on your neck. It's highly recommended. This is really this is for children, sort of a toy or present you can give to a young person. And this is what we have here. Just order this online. It's highly recommended toy. Children can use it to play. And yeah, it deserves your attention. I'm happy with this stuff. Thank you.